Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Today I would like to present a research topic entitled Data Preprocessing and Predicting Customer Churn in Telecommunication Dataset using Machine Learning Algorithm. My paper ID is ID0075. First, I would like to introduce myself. I am Nurul Suaida binti Ahmad Azali. Currently, I am a lecturer at Department of Information Technology and Communication, Polytechnic Idrisha. From the slide, we could see that telecommunication industry has grown rapidly with so many competitors over the years. First, let's look into our research background. Telecommunication industry has grown rapidly with so many competitors. When the competition rises, the occurrence of customer churn will also increases. Churn is described as the activity of customers withdraw from the company and terminate the service offered by it due to displeasure of the service or got better plan from other network provider which is more economical and stable. Knowledge discovery in data or KDD, which also known as data mining, practice data interpretation and algorithm analysis to find patterns in the dataset for description and prediction to predict customers who are likely to churn. Next, let's identify our research problems. Obtain a new customer is harder and more expensive compared to maintaining the existing customer. It is difficult to identify which customer who are likely to churn. Next is research objective. We want to predict customer churn for the dataset using machine learning algorithm. Number 4 is scope of the research. In this study, only 7,043 instances of dataset from a fictional telco company in California is being used. Data pre-processing and classification are using WEKA 3.8 and only 4 machine learning algorithms were implemented, which are artificial neural network, decision tree, naive Bayes, and support vector machine. Next is research methodology. There are 3 main phases in this study. Phase 1 is input or preparation phase for literature review, identify research problem, and determine research objective. Next is research phase, data pre-processing and classification, and the last one is output phase, obtaining result and discussion. The table shows that data quality report or raw dataset for categorical features. We can see that it has no missing values. The table shows that quality report or raw dataset for continuous features. We can see that attribute total charges got 0.16% of missing data. Is impute a missing data to a new value. In this case, we impute mean values. Discretized filter is an item of instance refining that discretizes a sort of numeric features in the data file into nominal features. Feature selection using CFS subset eval, attribute evaluator, and best first search method. The selection process was run using both selection mode, which are full training set and cross-validation full 10. This paper will discuss on 4 types of classifier used for the customer churn dataset, which are artificial neural network, decision tree J48, naive Bayes, and SVM. The experiment is performed in total of 9 classification model from model 1 to model 9 by using percentage split training data to testing data. Selected parameters for MLP, decision tree, naive Bayes, and SVM are as stated in the slide. Next is result and discussion. Missing values from total charges attribute, which is the value of the amount charged, is not stated in the dataset. By using data imputation using mean values, all 11 missing data were replaced by the mean value of total charges. Data discretization is a process of transforming continuous features with little of information destruction into a fixed set of interval. A shows that total charges attribute before and after discretization, followed by B, monthly charges attribute before and after discretization, and C, tenure attribute before and after discretization, and D, senior citizen attribute before and after discretization. From feature selection, only attributes were chosen that was customer ID, online security, and contract. However, for gaining important knowledge and to avoid losing valuable information, manual attribute selection was used. Only customer ID attribute has been removed and all other attributes were kept for data classification process. From the table, the most accurate classifier is SMO with 80.55%, while the lowest accuracy is 70.83 from Naive-Bayes model, both at the same train and test data allocation 80-20. For RMSE, J48 shows the best value of 0.399, while the lowest value is Naive-Bayes with 0.491. The highest value of receiver operating characteristic ROC is Naive-Bayes with 0.824, while the worst is 0.674 for SMO. Time taken for each model to complete the training phase, Naive-Bayes shows the shortest time, while MLP had the longest. Last but not least is conclusion. For the conclusion, many machine learning algorithms and tools can be used to classify customer churn dataset. Support vector machine SMO get the highest accuracy with 80.55%, while decision tree J48 perform as the best classifier based on the evaluation ranking with accuracy 78.70%. RMSE value 0.399 and time taken to build model 0.03 seconds. Based on the highest accuracy, this result is slightly better because of previous research mostly gets between 70 to 80% accuracy. That's all from me. Thank you.